LegalZoom wills and trusts pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think creating a will or trust requires expensive lawyers or months of paperwork, but the surprising truth is that LegalZoom makes it simple, affordable, and legally reliable. LegalZoom offers individual services for wills starting around, while living trusts start at approximately. You also have the option to add attorney consultations or legal advantage plans for ongoing support, document review, and legal guidance. For example, a family looking to secure assets and plan for the future can create a customized living trust through LegalZoom. Platform walks users step by step, asking simple questions about beneficiaries, guardians, and asset distribution. Once completed, documents are downloadable, signed, and legally valid. LegalZoom also ensures compliance with state-specific laws, so your documents meet local legal requirements. For more complex estates, the attorney support option helps answer questions and provide peace of mind. This approach saves thousands in legal fees while maintaining professional standards. In conclusion, LegalZoom provides excellent value for anyone seeking wills and trusts. Its user-friendly platform, affordable pricing, and optional attorney support make estate planning accessible, efficient, and reliable without the stress and expense of traditional legal services.